Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a thread on Slack. So you want to go ahead and find the chat that you want to reply to. So let's say I have this chat here and I sent a message to, for example, this chat, right? And it could be a message that someone sent to you or something that you sent. You can easily reply to a thread. So how do you go ahead and reply to that? Just simplify the chat or the message, and you will look towards the right hand side. Once you hover over it, you'll see reply, and you'll say reply in thread. So you can go ahead and click on that and just simply write your reply. So here you just need to go ahead and type your reply in the right hand side. It will say the thread. So you can just say, for example, I'm going to say any update, for example, or can I get some update? Let's write that. Yeah, and just hit send. And that's basically it. So what you'll see right here is that I have the chat. You can even close out of the thread right there. And you will see the first message. You will see the reply with the number there. And you can click on that and it's going to expand and it's going to show you the thread right there. And you can continue and continue that conversation here under the one specific topic or message. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.